Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to crop, rotate and straighten photos in Lightroom application using your smartphone. First of all, in order to crop, rotate and straighten photos easily using Lightroom, open up the Lightroom application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Also make sure you have allowed camera access to the Lightroom app from your smartphone, and once you're in this device tab, go ahead and select a photo you want to edit. With your photo open, go ahead and look for the crop icon in the bottom toolbar and tap on it. Now, you can go ahead and drag the little bars on each sides of your photo. Simply drag the corners or the edges of the crop box to select the area you want to keep. If you want a specific ratio, click on Custom at the bottom left and select the aspect ratio of your choice. To rotate your photo, tap the Rotate button at the bottom. This will rotate the photo 90° clockwise with each tap. For more precise rotation, use the angle slider below the crop box. Drag it towards left or right by rotating, and this will help you rotate the image by smaller degree. To straighten your photo, tap on the Straighten button at the bottom right in front of Rotate, and this will straighten the photo immediately. Once you're satisfied with the editing, tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner, and there you have it. To save the edited photo, tap on the little share icon at the top right where it shows you a little arrow facing upwards, and now click on Save Copy to Device. Doing this will save your photo that you've just edited using Lightroom. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.